how I almost got scammed. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my first Alibaba order with you. While unboxing, I'm going to be telling you guys how I was able to shop and ship from Alibaba to Nigeria without a procurement agent, and a little backstory on how I almost got scammed. So if you ever have plans of shopping and shipping from China to Nigeria, then this video is for you, because I'm going to be very honest and open about everything. All right, so before we get into the unboxing, please, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Also like and share this video. And so let's go unbox. So guys, this is our box here, and I'm just going to go ahead and open up this and show you guys the items that I got. I'm going to attach my invoice somewhere on the screen so you guys can see each item I got and the price. Also, the dollar rate as at the time when I made this purchase was 770 naira, and the rate on the Alibaba app was 768 or 765. I'm not sure. Okay. So guys, I'm done opening the carton, so let's see what we have in here. Guys, the first thing I have here is this, and this is an LED sub box or diffuser, and I got two of these. I'm just going to open up one and show you guys what it looks like. All right. And so guys, it came with these straps. And so guys, this is what it looks like. And what this does is that it helps to diffuse your lights and also eliminates dark shadows. Okay, so let's move on to the next thing I have here. The next thing I have here are these battery packs, and these are also for LED light panels. Okay, and I got 4 of these, so I don't have to wait before Nneoma brings light before I can be able to create content for you guys. And the next thing I have here is the LED light itself. Guys, this is the Yogno 600L light, and this light is one of the best lights out there, and it came highly recommended. And this is even the main reason why I wanted to do this whole importation thing, because I searched for this light in Nigeria but I couldn't find it. The only version that was available was the YN216. Okay, so guys, I'm going to make a different unboxing video for this light because I don't want this video too lengthy. All right guys, the next thing I have here is this, and this is the light stand. I also got 2 of this. Okay, I'm going to set this up and show you guys. Just set up one of these and show you guys. Okay, and the last thing I have here is this. Guys, this is the Wefeng 3560 phone and camera tripod. Okay, I don't know if I pronounced this right, but the spelling will be on the screen. Okay, I'll also be making a separate unboxing video for this, and I'll link it up somewhere so you guys can check it out. Okay, so guys, I'm going to be unboxing one of the light tripods so we can check out the quality. This light stand actually feels very lightweight, like it just feels so light. I cannot explain. I'm just going to set it up so we can see the length and everything. Okay, I am 5'7" tall, and this light stand is actually taller than I am. So now that we're done unboxing, let's talk about how I was able to do this whole mini importation all by myself without a procurement agent. So the first thing I did was to do my research. I checked out different suppliers, checked out store reviews, checked out product reviews. And guys, the way Alibaba works is different from the way AliExpress works, because on Alibaba you can get an item way cheaper than the price attached to it, and because you can negotiate or bargain with a supplier on Alibaba, right? Alibaba is for bulk purchase, and even if you're not buying in bulk, just tell them that okay, you'll get more items from them in the future, and most of them will actually give you a discount. Okay, when I found a supplier I was willing to work with, I messaged her, told her the items I wanted, and we negotiated price, and then she drafted me an order and I paid using my UBA dollar prepaid card. Guys, when I wanted to get these items, the black market rate for dollar was at 740. When I went to go and get dollar, it already got to 770, and by the time my goods came into the country, dollar already went up to 800 naira. And the shipping company I used, they had this policy that you only pay when your goods come into the country, so you can't pay before then. Okay, and they charge at the current market rate. Okay, and the shipping company is Market Logistics. And the thing that annoyed me about this whole shipping thing was when I came to pick my order weighed 7.1 kg. My supplier told me that, and they told me they were trying to charge me at 7.5 kg, and they had to even weigh my order, and it weighed 7.5 kg. And you guys, approximate of 7.15 kg should be 7.2 kg, yes, but this guy said in logistics it is different. They approximate to the, I don't know, so they charged me at 7.5 kg instead of 7.1 or 7.2. Overall, Alibaba items are very, very cheap, but it is when you want to ship it into this country that you're going to like spend money. Okay, my order was shipped out 8 days after I made payments. Okay, and I confirmed it got to my shipper's warehouse after 2 days. And you guys, I had a lot of issue finding a shipper, because I wanted one here in Enugu, and most of them are based in Lagos, as we all know. So when I finally found one, I messaged them, asked for their rates and all. These guys charged $9 per kg, and that's it. Moving on to how I almost got scammed, guys. Around the time the shipping company told me that my goods were undergoing clearance, I got an SMS that had my name and the important details, how much my order weighed and all those things. And they said I could come pick up, but I should send them the money first. And I already decided that I wasn't going to pay anyone until I saw my order, and I'm sure that okay, everything is in line with what my supplier told me. So I ignored the scammers. I will advise you to always request that they weigh your order, so that you can confirm that it is in line with what your supplier told you when you go for pickup. All right, because I've heard some funny stories. My supplier gave me a tracking ID, sent me a picture of my order, and told me what my order weighed. Yeah, about how long it took before my order got to Nigeria, you guys. This shipping company told me 10 working days. 2 weeks, and my order was not yet in Nigeria. I kept messaging them and they kept coming up with different stories. My order finally came into Nigeria 19 days afterwards, and it took extra 9 days before it could get to me because they said it was undergoing clearance. And so from the time I made payments on Alibaba to the time the goods got to me, that was a total of a month and 8 days. And there was something else. They charged me 500 naira per kg for custom fees. Let me quickly recap some important things. The shipping company I used is Maki Logistics. My order took a total of a month and 8 days before it got to me after I made payment. And I paid a shipping fee of 56,400, and my order weighed 7.1 kg. All right, so that will be all for this video. Let me know if you want a detailed tutorial on how to shop and ship from Alibaba to Nigeria without a procurement agent. And also, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section and I'll try my best to answer you. All right, and also go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also like this video and share it. Okay, and that will be all. Bye.